and welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. We'd just like to show you this installation video that we've carried out on this Porsche Boxster S. What we've upgraded this car with is a new radio system. This is quite a common upgrade that we do on a lot of Porsches. We've literally just done one on a 986, and now we're working on this Porsche Boxster S. What we're doing, this car had Bose as factory, so we've actually used a fibre optic interface which allows to retain the Bose amplifier. So it's a really normal install for us. We do absolutely loads of these, so if you're interested in something like this, feel free to get in touch with us. All our work gets carried out from our workshop facilities in Cambridge, so if you're interested, I'll drop all our links below so you can check out all our website and also our Porsche gallery, which is on the top right hand side of our website. So we're going to show you a little bit about what you see from a customer, as well as a little bit more about this specific head unit this customer has gone for. So the way this customer has actually interacted with our business is basically they came to our Cars and Coffee event, which we hold on the first Saturday of each month. All the details for that are on our Facebook page, so feel free to check that out as well. From that Cars and Coffee event, he saw a little bit about what we did and also some other systems from a couple of customers that actually turned up to our Cars and Coffee event, and decided to get a radio installed. So what we've done is gone through exactly the system. Also, the customers taken advantage of our our office facilities. So we've got full office facilities available for you while you're sitting and waiting for your car. Alternatively, we've got free loan cars as well, so you can take advantage of those. So we're just going to step inside the vehicle now. We're going to show you a little bit about what you see from a customer and what it sort of looks like as an installed and finished product. So from inside the vehicle, what you've got is the really nice fascia, which matches perfectly with the dashboard. So we do different colours of that depending on the colour of your dashboard. So if you own any Porsche, we can normally upgrade them in practically all of them at the moment. So we've got solutions for the majority of the cars, so feel free to get in touch with us. This is a Kenwood DMX 7017. It's an Apple CarPlay and Android Auto based unit. It allows for the functionality of digital radio. The DAB antenna is on the top left hand side of the windscreen, which is up there. So really discreet. It just allows for a load more stations, so it just makes your driving experience that little bit nicer. So as you can see here, we've got loads of stations. The screen is really intuitive as well. So, and you've got loads more stations there for digital radio. You've also retained your FM antenna as well, so you've still got FM if you wanted to use that as well. The unit comes with Bluetooth as well for 2 phones. It allows for Bluetooth streaming as well. This customer chose to drop the USB leads into the glove box, which is just here. So it comes on one fly lead on this system, which basically when you connect up, you allows for full functionality for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. So a really nice system. You've got your volume controls here as well. If you did have steering wheel controls, we can also get the volume control working on that as well. So a really nice interface. You can also put a Porsche logo on the back of these screens as well. Another option for these systems is to add a reversing camera or a forward-facing camera, which is quite a common option as well. On here you've also got full equalizer settings, so it allows you to tune the car a little bit more in terms of the audio. We also do a full speaker upgrade for these cars as well, so if you're interested in getting a bit more out of the hi-fi, feel free to get in touch with us. Our team will be happy guide you in terms of the best route and options to go through for those. So that's a little bit more about what the system is. So the head unit itself is a Kenwood DMX 7017. It's a really nice unit. It's quite a popular unit, especially for the price point that it comes with. It allows loads of new features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just gives that functionality that you're missing maybe from these cars with the factory radio in them. One of the key things that we do is we return everything to the customer. So the radio that's come out of this car has gone back to the customer, and what we've done is actually when this customer sells the vehicle or pass it on, we can move on we can take out our Kenwood radio and put in the factory radio as well, and the customer can actually retain that unit, give it to a friend or family, or get it installed into their next car. So for more details on this system, feel free to get in touch with us. Our team are more than happy to help. So this is the Porsche Boxster S that we've been working on. We'll drop all the links below for all our contact details and things like that. But thank you very much for watching our short video, and we look forward to upgrading your Porsche soon. Thank you.